Good morning, crafty sis. I said I was gonna do more vlogs, so come with me for a quick Michael's run. All right, so I am headed to Michael's. I don't need much. I really just need a couple of things. I need to get a foam board to do a tutorial that I'm uploading, and then I also need to grab 3 shirts for a last minute order. So that's what we're going to get, and we're going to see what else is over there. Okay.
Her, she is now the camera woman for her local news. Oh, damn. Baby,
pulling up to Michael's. We are here, headed in now to see what deals I find. Okay, Michael's, they got some cute stuff in here. Ooh, this is cute.
These cute little teddy bears.
All of their Valentine's Day stuff are on sale, so let me see what I find. Okay, I can definitely do something with this. I had to get away from that section, but I did find the shirts that I came here for, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go pay for my stuff and get on out of here. Got my stuff. Of course, I bought stuff that I didn't need. Well, I won't say I didn't need them because you could always use crap, but let's just see what I got. I spent $26. I got these cute Valentine's Day tissue paper. I found these cute little heart things that I can use to decorate the jumbo cards. So I'm super excited. And of course I got the shirts, and I found some cute Valentine's Day glitter. Leaving Michael's, headed to the shop to hopefully get some work done, child. Michael's is literally right down the street from the shop, so I am headed there now. So I'll be there in literally like less than 5 minutes. I honestly want a little pick-me-up, so I think I'm gonna go to Starbucks. There's one right here in this Target that's literally right down the street too. So I'm gonna make another stop. Okay, so now we're headed to the shop for real. Got my drink. Chai latte. I'm here now. It's always a little struggle getting out the car because I have so much stuff, y'all. My little cart, as you can see. So yeah, let's do it. Heading up. Honestly, the first thing I do is kick my shoes off and put my socks on because I gotta be comfortable to maneuver and to just get things done as much as I can anyway. Alexa, play Beyonce.
Shuffling Beyonce and similar artists on Amazon Music.
Alexa, pause. So now that I'm here, the first thing I'm gonna do is go through the orders and see what came in over the weekend to see what needs to be shipped out. We got some orders for paper as well as our Party Favor starter kits. So I'm gonna print them out now and then pack those orders.
2 hours later.
Lunch break. That is the end of this vlog, but I did want to show you the cute custom card that I made with the materials that I just got from Michael's. Make sure you check out the tutorial if you want to learn how to make your very own. I'll link it in the description below. Bye.